Okay folks, so here we are at the xLaunchpad, and as you can see on the screen right now, my KYC was successful. It was accepted, and today I'm going to walk you through, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it properly so you also get accepted, and we will try to mitigate any risks, any small mistakes which could lead into the rejection of your KYC. So let's start. In order to be successful, you will need three things. One is an ID or a passport. The other one is a proof of address, and obviously your phone. So the first tip I'm gonna give you is that try to use a PC or a laptop to complete your KYC, because on your phone, when you need to use it to do the selfie, for example, which I'm gonna walk you through as well, it might be a bit tricky and it might cause some kind of a glitch. It's not guaranteed, but it's just better if you use a separate device for your KYC and your phone for the uploading of the pictures and to do the selfie. First things first, we will enter Hatom, and as you can see, we have here the eligibility tiers, KYC guide, and connect. After I have my exporter wallet open, I will just click connect, and you will see that the QR code will appear. I'm gonna choose exporter app here, but if you have any other type of wallets, then you can choose the other options. For example, my other wallet for which I was already approved is the connect with keystroke, because I have the file to upload, and then the password. Right now we are gonna choose exporter app because I'm gonna use my exporter to show you how to do this. So I'm gonna click new connection, and I'm gonna go and scan the QR code and approve. Now right upon entering, it will require your email address, for which I'm going to type in my email address, which obviously I'm not gonna show it to you, and I click next. Now an email confirmation should arrive, and for that I'm gonna go into my email, and I have here the confirm email for the xLaunchpad, which I'm gonna click obviously, and email is confirmed, so I can proceed with KYC. Now here you can choose two type of documents, which is passport and identity card. First big mistake people do is they use their driver's license. Driver license is not accepted, only passport and ID. If you only have driver license because you are from the UK, obviously you will need to use your passport. So make sure that your passport is prepared and you are ready to take a photo of it, because what you are going to do, you are going to scan your QR address, which you can see right here. I'm gonna just go to photos and scan it, and here I will click continue and take a photo. Obviously it is very important to take a photo where you have the whole passport. Okay, you don't cut off the corners, you don't cut off half your picture, something like that. You take a photo of your passport, not like this. You need to open it. However, I'm not going to show you what's inside, so you just take a picture, a good picture of it, and upload. Now the next step is obviously to take a selfie. You will need to put your head in the circle, and for that I'm going to switch to my phone. So for that you enable the camera and you say yes, I allow to take a picture of my face. You put your face into the oval shape and you take the picture. Upload the photo and you are pretty much done. Last step which you need to do is to upload a proof of address, which I'm going to show you right now. So you can use a utility bill or you can use a bank statement. I am using a bank statement, and this is why. The bank statement has very clear the logo, it has a very clear name for you, so usually they write your full name. Some utility bills don't, and they just write the first two letters of your surname, for example, or your first name. And some people also just upload a mobile phone plan bill, which is not accepted. You can read it right here. Sorry, no mobile phone bills. So what I do usually, I just go with the bank statement, and as you can see, it writes here that the bank statement or the utility bill which you are using must have the logo, the full name, the current address, and issue date or summary period, because it cannot be older than 3 months. Okay, so it needs to be from the last 3 months. So from April. I used a fresh one just to be safe, so I used one from last month. Now here you can continue on your phone if you want to take a picture, obviously, or you can just upload a photo, which I did. And here I have a bank statement and I just upload it. Here you have an extra alert, an extra disclaimer that your bank statement must have all kind of information which we just talked about. You can click continue, and here you need to type in the personal data, your name, your date of birth, address, from the utility bill, obviously. So the best way to do it is to copy it from the utility bill, which I'm gonna do right now. The nationality, I am using my Hungarian nationality, so I'm just gonna put here Hungary, and the residence is United Arab Emirates. Okay, so this is my residence. This is very important because you can have different nationality and residence. That's not a problem, and we actually had a discussion about it on Twitter. So if you are living in a different country, you are Romanian or you are English, and you are living in Germany, then you can just put there that your nationality is your passport. Okay, so the passport gives you your nationality, and the residency is your proof of address. That is not a problem. I never had the same nationality and residence in any of the Launchpad projects, and all the time my KYC was accepted. So I can put here sales representative. I mean, you put whatever you want. I'm gonna say that it's from the savings. And as you can see, the KYC verification is in progress. Now, this KYC will not go through, and I'm gonna tell you why not. Because I already have a KYC approved with my other wallet address, and that is why I'm going to be rejected. That is not a problem here because I cannot participate with two wallets, as nobody can. So this wallet always goes to waste. My wife also has her separate exporter wallets, so I cannot really use anybody's identity to tie up with my wallet. That's okay. Hope that this video was helpful for you. Hope that you understand that this is a very simple step-by-step tutorial and you should be able to do it. Please be careful. Make sure that you are in a room with light. Okay, it's not in a dim room because the application will not recognize your face if it's dark. So make sure that you do it in sunlight if possible. Thanks for watching. This was all for today. Hope it was helpful. If it was, press the subscribe button, press the like button, and I will see you in the next one.